Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have yet another seed haul. Today I am sharing with you the seeds I ordered from M.I. Gardener. This is my first year ordering from them and I'm super excited to give some of these new varieties a try. First off, I have the Lacinato Dinosaur Kale, also sometimes known as the Tuscan Kale. This is a new variety for me and I am excited to grow this one because I hear it's easy to devein when you're cooking, so that's getting the leafy part off that rigid stem that goes down the middle. Also here it's good to make kale chips in that it won't burn as easily around the edges when you put it in the oven and dehydrator. Next we have the Kiwano Jelly Melon, also known as a horn melon. This piece of fruit right here is very interesting to me. As you can see, it's pointy all across the sides. It looks pretty scary, but it reminds me of a pomegranate. Like you eat the fleshy part off the seeds. Like you don't, and it's, yeah, you kind of put them in your mouth and you spit them out, or you can eat the seeds. But come to find out, they're pretty nutritious. They're full of antioxidants. They're a good source of iron. Lots of benefits, so excited to give that a try. Next we have Golden Detroit Beets. Grew just your typical red beet in the past. This year I want to try to grow these golden beets to see about possibly juicing them. But I hear that they're sweeter than your other types of beets, so excited to give this a try. Next is the Chioggia beet. These look fun, they remind me of like a bullseye, so giving these a try. Rainbow carrots. So just like radishes and the carrots that we've grown before, my kids really do enjoy growing and harvesting these types of vegetables. I think it has to do with like the fact that they're so small and you pull one up and you have one that you can just eat for yourself. I don't know, but it gets them eating vegetables. So we've grown regular carrots before and wanted to give these different color carrots a try. Sweet banana peppers. Banana peppers are one of my all-time favorite snacks, pizza toppings, sandwich toppings. I just love banana peppers. After getting into making my own pickles last year and even getting into fermenting some peppers and different things, I really am thinking I want to try to make my own banana peppers. So super excited about these. Next we have the Rosa, Bianca eggplant. And while I was looking for the small white garden egg that's popular in West African cuisine, I came across these. And eggplant is one of my favorite vegetables to grow because it makes really pretty flowers right before it turns to fruit. So although it wasn't the garden egg, I did decide to keep this in my cart and give it a try. And it reminds me of my best friend. So there you go. Next we have the Aunt Mallees ground cherry. So I came across these when I was looking for the pineapple tomatillos. Those are so good. They're like pineapple bombs, mini bombs in your mouth. These have a hint of a pineapple flavor, but more of, I think it's like a cherry flavor too. They're great for jams. They're great for baking and pies. They're great just for snacking while you're outside working in the garden. And I learned you can harvest these right off the ground. I guess that's why it's called a ground cherry, which is pretty cool. Next we have the San Marzano tomatoes, and we've grown these before and had pretty good success, so we were just reintroducing those. The Azoycha tomato. This has a sweet, citrusy-like flavor, and we are a family that loves to use tomatoes, so why not? Next we have lemon balm. Lemon balm is great for teas. You can even use them as an herb or a leaf in salads, baked goods, or just fresh cold drinks. It's a perennial plant, so I hope to get it planted out in the space I want to turn into a cottage garden. Common lavender. This is an edible flower. It repels bugs, however, is very good for the pollinators that all gardeners have grown to love. Viola Johnny Jumpups. These are also edible flower. It has like a wintergreen flavor. They're good for antifungal and anti-inflammatory purposes. And a cool idea I saw was to freeze it in a popsicle. I bet the kids would really, really enjoy that. So finally, I did not know this at the time of placing my order, but it looks like In My Gardener also gives a free seed when you place the order, maybe if you hit a certain amount. And the free seed that I received in my order was the sweet dumpling squash, and it looks like it's one of the sweetest squashes of its kind. And so we have grown spaghetti squash, and I'm definitely looking forward to giving this one a try. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed watching this seed haul, make sure to check out my seed haul from Baker Creek. I'll post a link to that in the description. Be sure to subscribe for my next seed haul, my final one, I promise. And follow me on my journey this year as I continue to sow seeds and get them ready to go out into my spring garden.